Hi, I'm An Huacheng, Communications Officer at Mercator Ocean International. Are you a journalist looking to understand sea ice loss, record sea surface temperatures, marine heat waves, or broader changes in the state of the ocean? This tutorial will guide you through all of this and show you how to make the best of the ocean bulletins from Mercator Ocean International. These weekly, monthly, and seasonal bulletins offer trusted, science-based insights on the state of the ocean in an accessible format. Let's get started. Click on the link in the description, State of the Ocean. First, we'll explore the Marine Heatwave Bulletin. Marine heatwaves are unusually high sea surface temperatures that persist over time, disrupting marine life, coastal economies, and even weather patterns. To identify a marine heat wave and how strong it is, we compare the sea surface temperature in a particular area to the highest of the sea surface temperatures ever recorded in that same location. If the current temperature is above that top 10%, it's considered a marine heat wave. Updated weekly, this bulletin provides 10-day forecast for the global ocean, the Mediterranean Sea, and the North Atlantic. You'll find visuals and data showing when marine heat waves are expected to develop and how intense they are likely to be. You will also find the weekly temperature anomalies for the coming week in the European zone and the global ocean. Okay, let's get back to the main menu. Next, we'll cover the ocean temperature bulletin. Now choose the latest bulletin. This bulletin tracks global sea surface temperatures, marine heat wave conditions, and highlights key changes for the previous month, showing where the ocean was unusually warmer or colder than average. We provide analysis of the global ocean, the Mediterranean Sea, and the North Atlantic. At the start of the bulletin, you can find the key takeaways. You can see, for instance, that June 2025 was the warmest June on record in the Mediterranean Sea, with mean temperatures of 23.86 degrees Celsius. You can click on the graph. By comparing current conditions with past years, graphs and maps can reveal new patterns, even record-breaking events. The bulletin monitors marine heat waves from the past month, spotting when and where they occurred, how strong they were, and how long they lasted. Now, let's get back to the main menu one last time. Finally, we'll see what the Sea Ice Bulletin is about. This seasonal bulletin looks at how sea ice extent and volume change in the Arctic and Antarctic throughout the year. It gives a quick summary of where ice is growing, where it's shrinking, and whether any records were broken. That's it for this quick guide on exploring the ocean bulletins for deeper insights into the state of the ocean. If you'd like to get visuals on sea surface temperature for your articles or video features, check the link in the description to our My Ocean Pro viewer tutorial. Thanks for watching.